Sediment classification, a proposed solution to manage siltation in the tropical littoral waters.
The tropical regions have a very unique situation with a high flow rate of water bodies due to the concentration of annual monsoons to within one quarter, thereby causing excessive siltation. The enhanced siltation causes disruption in various applications like water resource management, inland water transport, heavy movement across shallow water bodies, and more. The obvious solution to this problem is the removal of the silt. Precise sediment classification can not only facilitate effective desiltation but also ensure a deeper understanding of the siltation process to attempt prevention of siltation. Challenges. Number 1. Tropical littoral waters. The tropical littoral waters ensure suboptimal sonar performance for any acoustic survey deployed for the purpose. Number 2. Dredging method. There are multiple dredging techniques and a range of dredging equipment with widely varying cost. The precise sediment classification will facilitate choosing the right dredging technique and equipment that can substantially enhance the efficiency and minimize the cost manifold. Number 3. Disposal of desilted material. The disposal of the desilted material is a bigger challenge. The ongoing thought of dumping the desilted material in the farmlands is flawed, as the logistic cost is extremely prohibitive and also the farmlands have limited capacity to accept these desilted material. Such solution will actually be a revenue earner for the government rather than a resource drain. Number 4. Prevention of siltation. Siltation is a gradual process that accumulates the silt from high grounds based on the flow of water. The precise assessment of multiple layers of sediment can facilitate a deeper understanding of the siltation process that will allow effective prevention methods.
The importance of sediment classification, I think, is well known because the large water bodies that we have inland and in the offshore, the sediment nature is very, very important for us to know to be able to optimize our usage. Now, when we talk about usage, there are multiple mega projects being initiated by the government, whether it is the inland water transport, where we are talking about 116 waterways covering almost 20,000 kilometers. The port management, again, the siltation is a major issue. I mean, basically, to keep our waters navigable, it is very important that we are able to manage the siltation in a more effective manner. The second part is the water resource management. Most of our dams which are storing water for domestic usage are silted to a very, very high extent. I mean, I'm aware of the Khadakwasla dam, which is silted up to 50%. So this is a huge challenge because in the monsoon period, there is flooding in the downplains, and during the dry season, our capacity is reduced by 50%. And with the growing urbanization, I think this is the next big challenge that we are going to be facing. Now, in terms of the underwater domain awareness framework that we have been working on, if you look at the figure here, we can see different stakeholders which are represented by the three faces. Now, it is very important that we address all the three aspects of policy, technology, and human resource development. The same set of tools and the same set of understanding is relevant to multiple stakeholders, and that is where the UDA framework becomes very, very critical. Now, here, one side you can see the water resource management, the other side we have talked about the inland water transport, and then even deployment of platforms in the border areas over water bodies. There again, knowing the bottom silt is very, very important for effective transportation. So it is very important that we understand this in a very, very nuanced manner. And in terms of technology, if you look at it, use of sonar is the only way forward, but the tropical waters have their own challenges. So how do we overcome these challenges using signal processing, and now with so much AI and ML being available to us, how do we bring the most effective and efficient technology and innovative methods to manage this aspect is very, very important.
Features of proposed solution. Number 1. Automation of the entire process to minimize human error. Number 2. Application-specific measurement and analysis tool with the state-of-the-art signal process algorithms. Number 3. Comprehensive database management system. Number 4. Complete hand-holding right from the selection of the equipment to measurement and analysis tool and the strategic vision formulation. Number 5. Capability and capacity building right from policy, technology and innovation and human resource development. Number 6. Documentation support on strategy, benchmarking, SOPs and analysis reports. The application of the proposed solution are immense and can be said to be more efficient than other methods. Effective desiltation is an urgent requirement in reservoirs and lakes that are used to store fresh water during the dry seasons. Ensuring the navigability of the waterways through the year is a critical requirement. The complete siltation process will facilitate the planning of the inland water transfer project. Precise sediment classification can allow assessment of the bottom type that will indirectly improve the transportation of large columns of vehicles, particularly military convoys.